Hi everyone. In this video, you will understand complete taxability of goods transport agency under GST. Services of transporting goods by road are exempt from GST. However, this exemption does not apply to goods transport agency and courier service. Goods transport agency, widely known as GTA, refer to persons who provide road transport services for goods by issuing a consignment note. Other services covered by GTA include packing and unpacking, loading and unloading, transshipment, temporary warehousing, and so on. These must not be provided independently but together with main supply. Most importantly, the goods transport service provider should issue a consignment note for the goods in order to be called as GTA under GST. Otherwise, the responsibility of the goods would necessarily not have passed on to the transporter and he will not be called as a GTA, and accordingly, he will be exempt under GST. In general parlance, a consignment note refers to a document issued by a GTA against the receipt of goods for road transport in a carriage. It includes details such as serial number, consignor name, consignee name, GTA name, vehicle registration number, details of goods, origin and destination, and the person responsible to pay tax. Before we dive into the scenarios where GTA pays tax, let us check out those cases where GTA does not have to pay tax or is exempt under GST. Few of the item-based exemptions include milk, salt, agri-produce, newspaper, relief material during calamities, organic manure, etc. The value-based exemption is available where the value of single goods consignment in a single carriage is less than or equal to Rs 1,500 and the total consignment sent to a single consignee is less than or equal to Rs 750. Similarly, if GTA hires a vehicle to transport goods, GST is not payable. Coming to the scenarios where GST applies to GTA services, a GTA is provided with two options. He has to choose at the beginning of the financial year either 5% without availing ITC or 12% with an option to avail ITC. An example of GTA services where these rates may apply is the transportation of used household goods for personal use. Coming to the tax levy, Section 9, Subsection 3 of the CGST Act provides that government can notify certain services on which tax must be paid on a reverse charge basis by the recipients. Suppose GTA does not want to pay tax at 12%. In such cases, certain persons who are taking transportation services from such GTA must pay tax on a reverse charge basis on the freight. Notified recipients are a factory registered under the Factories Act 1948, a society registered under Society Registration Act of 1860, companies, any cooperative society established by or under any law for the time being in force, a partnership firm whether or not registered, association of persons, any GST registered persons, casual taxable persons. In the rest of the cases, a GTA itself has to pay tax, provided it is not covered by the list of exemptions. In other words, if these listed recipients have availed GTA services, one of the two scenarios can happen. First, the GTA chooses to pay tax at 12% and claim ITC. Second, the GTA supplier does not choose 12%. So now, these listed recipients must pay GST on reverse charge at a lower rate of 5% with ITC, but GTA cannot claim ITC. As far as GST registration is concerned, GTA need not register under GST if he provides transport services on which GST is entirely being paid on reverse charge by the recipient. However, in all the other cases, threshold turnover must be checked to determine if GTA must obtain GST registration. A GTA which is registered must comply with all other requirements under the Act, such as releasing of invoices or bills of supply, as the case may be, GST return filing, and so on. In order to determine whether domestic transaction is interstate or intrastate, place of supply must be checked. The place of supply for goods transportation services will be based on whether or not the recipient is registered under GST. If it is a registered recipient, the place of supply shall be the place of registered recipient. But in case of an unregistered person, the place of supply shall be the location where the goods have been handed over for transportation. For various illustrations, do visit our page on GTA, the link given in the description box below. Please do like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Post your queries on GTA in the comment section below. This is Annapurna. See you in the next video.